Hello there, YouTubers. So maybe you're looking to start a YouTube channel and you're just wondering how to add your first piece of content. YouTube is really important that you're consistent with it. So once you're working on your YouTube channel, it's important to be consistent at adding videos. As you can see, I've been somewhat consistent and that has really grew my channel. But then once my channel actually grew to about 100 some views per day, I stopped doing everything. I've got too busy with my business and it just tapered down into nothing. So I'm going to be revamping my work with YouTube to promote my business. My business is web development. Webbaker, we do high quality web design work and graphic design. So by the way, if you're interested in web design or graphic design, check out our website. Anyways, back to our YouTube. How do we add a video? Once you create your video, and I have a quick video on that in the channel, look through our playlists. To add a video, you would create it. Once you've uploaded it into your repository on your computer somewhere, you can drag and drop it into your downloads folder or whatever folder you want to store it at. You would need to go to your YouTube channel. You would navigate over to youtube.com, and at the very top you'll have like your icon here. Then you would need to click on YouTube Studio. That's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is you go to youtube.com and you can just click this tiny plus icon, create. Then we'll click upload video. That's also going to take you to that exact same place where you can upload the video. So select the file. In this case, we're going to be adding the video that I have just created. How to add users in Plesk using, actually that's not that, this one. How to effortlessly optimize YouTube video, which is actually really great content. You can put together really nice descriptions that are keyword optimized. That's very important for YouTube. Using AI, and also it's really important to have all of your keywords in place, because without keywords it's kind of difficult to rank your video well. And in today's day and age, it's much easier to have AI generate keywords for you. Of course, you can have your SEO person that would do that for you, but that's going to be very expensive. Now, it's important to add a video to a playlist. Somehow YouTube seems to give it a better SEO score when it's actually part of a playlist. And for small things like that, I have small website design tips as a playlist. Thumbnails are critically important, really, really important. And we design really good thumbnails. So if you need help with thumbnail design, we'll be more than happy to help you out. Now, I don't have thumbnail for this video just yet. I'm going to be sending it over to our design team to put that together tomorrow. But you can publish it without the thumbnail once it actually loads. Alright, so scrolling down, tags are here. So this is more of a website upload optimized video, I guess. I like to select the language because I think it kind of helps YouTube determine that you're actually legit and you know what you're talking about. At least you know what language you're speaking. Corruption certificate, yeah, I'll keep all of this as is. And then the remixing part here, I'll just keep it like that. Perhaps going to give you a little bit more exposure, but no, I don't think somebody would remix my video. Click next. Now this is really, really important. Add end screen, and we're just going to import it from another video. That one is good, but end screen creates very good traction. So there's a lot of traffic that people that you'll see people watching other videos that you've created based on the end screens that you've provided. So there's no copyright, so it's really important that you use copyright music on YouTube. I'll make a separate video on that someday. Visibility, and that's going to be public. That's important. Now I'm going to copy this URL, which we'll send to our graphic design team to put together a thumbnail, and we'll click publish. And there you have it. Share it across your social media platform. And for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, and we'll release a bunch of really cool small topics like that are extremely condensed, and they will give you a lot of info. Again, if you want really great thumbnails, and I'll show you the types of thumbnails that we're creating at our other channel called YouCan, which has way more subscribers and way more traffic, and actually is generating some revenue. These are the types of thumbnails that we are creating for that channel, and they really work. So thumbnails are created by this company, Webeka. Reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks. See you in the next video.